Okay, number 14 says the price of a video game was reduced from $60 to $45. By what percentage was the price of the video game reduced? Okay, this is that kind of question that I was saying is going to be a proportion, but it has to be the difference over the original. Okay, anytime they use words like reduced and they're giving you like a new and an old price, make sure you're thinking about subtracting first. So we'll do 60 minus 45 to figure out the change or the difference in price. That's 15. 15 is my top number. The original price was 60. So that's on the bottom. And then we want to know the percentage. So remember that percents are always out of 100. So this is really going to be my x. Let's think about simplifying here. I know 5 goes into both, so 5 into 15 is 3 times, and 5 into 60 is 12 times. Can that be simplified again? Yeah, maybe. How about by 3? 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 12 is 4. Oh, that makes it really nice because look what I can do now. I know that 4 times 25 makes 100. So then do the same thing up here, times 25. If this is 25, that means it's 25% of a reduction from that $60 to $45.